Hey everybody, Jacob with ATV Wholesale Outlet here, and I'm extremely excited to announce that we just received a huge container of custom-built Electro & Co. ETM RTRs that you can exclusively find only at ATV Wholesale Outlet. Austin and the team over at Electro & Co. partnered up with us, and we designed our very own ETM RTRs and ETM RTR lights exclusively found here at ATV Wholesale Outlet. And we've only got a limited batch that are very likely gonna sell out before Christmas. So take a look at what we did special here and give us your thoughts. All right guys, let's take a quick look at the three major changes that I had done to our custom ETM RTRs and RTR lights. Bear in mind, you can only get these at ATV Wholesale Outlet. We ship anywhere in the country, or you can always pick them up here in store. Starting first with this gorgeous set of bronze front forks. It's a nice deep bronze look, similar to what you'll see on some of the Surons and other E-motos in its segment. Really ties in that sporty, aggressive look. And then we also had black plastics on all of our ETM RTRs. Typically, you'll pay 80 bucks extra for black plastics. Ours come with them totally free of charge. And we also have a custom designed decal kit on these. If you don't like them, you can always peel off the sticker decals and have that fully blacked out look, kind of like the bike right behind me if you can see it. And then the last thing that we did is we replaced the white rear shock with a black rear shock. And I just thought that really completed the look, gave the bike its final sporty touch, and just ties in the whole bike together. I mean, as you can see, this is a sick bike. You'll usually have to pay extra to get it this way. We got it done thanks to Austin and the team over at Electro & Co. Thanks so much. And guys, pick these up here at ATV Wholesale Outlet. If you need anything, give us a call or come visit us. We're here to help. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.